Yes. Good morning, everyone. Some are born great, some achieve greatness during their lifetime, and some go beyond all these measures. What category do we people belong to? Only a few of us could show what our greatness is, and rest of us are in a continuous trial to show what our greatness is. One day, today or tomorrow, we will be able to show what great we are for. Wait for that. And this art, many of us are born artists, many of us are trained artists, and some of us are untrained artists. Art in the sense drawing, painting, presenting something, singing, and writing, everything is a form of art. But some artists are there among us, or some artists are there in the world who are actually genius, born genius. They haven't undergone any sort of training. Such an art form is there, such a group of artists is also there. I speak about that category of artists who haven't gone any sort of training, no sort of certificate they have possessed, but still they are artists. Don't we know many such artists, singers, painters? They haven't undergone any sort of training. Nobody trained them, and they don't have a certificate to show off, but still they are number one artists in terms of writing, painting, singing, presenting, and all. So such an art form is there. Art form of those artists, those who haven't got any sort of academic or training qualifications or certificates. Such art form is called art brut, raw art or outsider's art. In 1940, a French painter, Jean Dubuffet, he propounded this concept. When that French genius, Jean Dubuffet, propounded this concept in 1940s, nobody was there to encourage him. Or this art brute, outsider's art form that has just got an almost veiled beginning, not a bright one. But almost the same time, one genius was there in India too, preparing the wonderful art form. And his name is Nek Chand. When we make a list of all the most beautiful things in India, soon after Taj Mahal, there comes one name, that is Rock Garden in Chandigarh. Rock Garden in Chandigarh. That's a beautiful, marvelous contribution from the best outsider artist from India, that is Nek Chand. What has he done? What is his contribution? What is this rock art or rock garden famous for? Watch this video, and this video says you what he has made. And why does it captivate the attention of millions of people even today? So we fix it. This is the number one contributor to the form outsider's art from India, an Indian, Nek Chand. Have a watch on it. Yes. Haven't you just watched the video? Sustainable development, how it can be incorporated in art forms. A beautiful, copyable example from India. And after that creation, Rock Garden in Chandigarh, he was taken to sensational design heights internationally. When media people came and interviewed him, his only reply was this: my greatest happiness is to watch people go, watch, and enjoy what I created over there. That is my biggest happiness. Who says? Nekchand.